To get started, open Google Docs and create a table with 2 columns and 2 rows. For step 2, locate your logo or an image of yourself and click and drag it into Google Docs. You can also do this by going to Insert and then clicking Link. For step 3, reduce the size of the image. Then for step 4, type your signature text. You could put things like your name, your email address, your phone number, or your contact details. You can make the signature text more stylish by making things italic and also making things bold, or changing the color. What you need to do next is go to softicons.com, I will add the link in the description, and then find the icons that you need for your brand. For my brand, I use YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, so I'm going to get those 3 icons. Then click and drag those downloaded images into Google Docs. I would recommend getting 48 pixels. Then adjust the column line to match your preference. Then you need to right click on the icons and insert the URLs of those pages. So I know mine off by heart, but you might need to go find yours. Make sure you repeat this step for every individual icon to make them interactive. After this, you need to select all of the lines and make them 0 pt. This will make them invisible. Then what you need to do is select one of the lines and make that 2 pt. This will make a little barrier, and I think it makes it a little bit cleaner. After this, you need to select everything and then go to Gmail. Go into the settings icon in the top right, scroll down to the signature box and paste everything in there. Then you can test all the buttons and go to the bottom and save changes and then compose an email. So there's my tutorial. Thanks very much for watching.